signing up for a cooking class. Peter is seated in front of his computer when Anne walks into the room.
Hi, Peter. What are you up to?
I'm signing up for a cooking class.
That's cool. What inspired you to do that?
Well, I've always been interested in learning to cook better. Plus, eating out so often has kind of been wrecking my budget.
So your motivations are both financial and aspirational?
Pretty much. Like, it'd be awesome to become a great chef and save some money, right?
Definitely. So what kind of cuisine are you going to learn to cook?
Italian, of course.
Yeah, you do love Italian food, don't you?
You know it. And imagine if I could cook it like they do at a great Italian restaurant.
Showing off new cooking skills. Anne returns home to find Peter in the kitchen.
Hey, it smells great in here. What are you making?
Oh, you're in for a treat, Rumi. Tonight I'm going to show you what I've been learning in my cooking class.
Really? What a delightful surprise. So, what's on the menu?
I've just finished making some bruschetta, which is toasted slices of bread flavored with garlic and olive oil and topped with tomatoes and herbs. Here, try a piece.
That's amazing. It's so flavorful.
Yeah? You really think it's good?
It's delicious.
Wait till you try the main course. Voila! It's my world-famous lasagna.
World famous, huh?
Well, not yet, but give it time. Try it and see.
Wow! It's even better than the bruschetta.
I'm glad you like it. I was thinking of taking another class, but wasn't sure if I should.
Are you kidding? If you're gonna cook more stuff like this, I insist on it.